What am I doing?
Oh, that's the color I want too.
Is it?
Yeah.
I thought you wanted like a different color. Try it.
What?
You have a key next to it. See, it opens the doors. You missed it.
It's shiny.
Zoe found her spot.
Oh, nice.
You need a key. You need a key. Start it. No, there's a start button. All you gotta do is hold the brake down and hit the start button.
So brake and start.
Brake. Brake and start.
It's too far.
We'll get closer. You want it the whole time?
You have to now make sure when you get.
Right.
Oh,
And you hit the start button.
Okay, go.
It's a 3.0. This is 6.
Move it.
You guys missed the best part of it. Is the headlights.
oh crap! She's gonna run us over.
Headlights. That's the best part of it. Look at those headlights. Aren't those sick? That's the reason 2013 instead of 2012. Because they have different headlights. Mom's just gonna take off, huh?
Mom just left.
Bye-bye. She's not gonna even ask me to get in.
I think she likes it.
I'll show you any of the options.
Okay. We love it. Both of us.
Zig's getting it.
Очередное расстройство желудка.
Zoe, are you buying it? I want it too.
You don't even want me to start with the options. Forget about the options.
Oh, that is
Did you look at your sunroof? Look at the sunroof.
Oh my God, let's go again.
Open it. Open the sunroof. Well, open the
Which one?
Why don't you ride with them and tell them about the features?
Which one is the sun?
First and foremost, that's her for your
Well,
thing.
надо включить
Here.
машину.
Yeah, you do, but this is the buttons that you need.
That's with a
Car.
hair
Hit the brake.
net on the.
Это для того, чтобы так постирал,
Break.
чтобы Эйдена
Now
потом
watch.
трогать.
This opens up your sunshade. That's the sunshade. And it goes manually too. If you
Ну
want
это
to.
слишком,
Stop.
это...
You can stop halfway through.
Не думай об
It's a
этом.
big sunroof.
Иди отсюда, пупер, парень-пупер, как говорится. Jeez. What?
This, if you press it, you could either open it, okay?
Okay, let's go another round. Okay, let's go another
What
round.
most people don't know is you can do this and actually goes even further back. Just don't move.
You are like
Sit down.
president now.
Sit.
Or if you wanted to all the way, and then I'll show you something else. You can press it
Oh
up.
my God.
That's where you attach a baby out there.
I haven't even given over about the iPhone. Here's this. And then if you press it back down, press it back down.
Oh, my.
Yeah, yours is. It's just I'm just telling you where the options are.
Oh, look at the sky.
That's a big sunroof.
Если нужен этот
One
скан,
thing
нет?
Krista misses about her car, she used to love that big sunroof. And this
Заберите
thing,
его,
Mom, let me show you
кто-нибудь
something
отсюда,
else.
уберите его.
Let me show you something. If you press this button, you can either just press it once, let it close, or you can hold it and you can close it wherever you want. You see? Or just press it, let it close. That's it. But it's still, yeah, careful. That's mesh. You still gotta let it through.
А, ну ты понимаешь, не, это,
And there's night,
черные
these
эти
two.
сиденья, это...
These two right here.
Очень красивое сиденье. У меня дети тут
А это
If you ever
считается
wanted to, you
кожа
can do
вообще?
Google Earth. It's got comes with 2G. It doesn't go Google Earth. But
Ну, наверное,
yeah,
лучше,
you know,
когда не
like
кожа,
that,
а
what's-
именно материал.
Не
You have an iPhone or
материал.
no?
It's so smooth that you
It hooks
don't
up to the
even
iPhone, or you could do Bluetooth, all your music through your Bluetooth. And it has XM radio, that's what you're listening to right now.
И этот...
Come outside, let me show you the rest of it. Come on,
Mom's like, I don't want to get out.
take it off, whatever you want.
А и
But you know what my favorite part is?
What?
I'll show you my favorite part.
Ты серьезно?
What's happening?
Really?
What's happening? What's happening?
It's Grandma's car. car.
Можешь что-нибудь без него. Молодец.
One of those two things happening.
Oh my god! Okay.
Ну, сильно здоровья.
Каким образом ты ее купил?
Well, what happens is you give somebody some money, and they give you a car, and those two transactions happen, and then everything goes good.
Это был security, деньги, которые я собрал. Поэтому я частично
Aww.
Oh my god.
Killed my show. Whatever.
Oh my god. That's a drive. Drive. Oh my
You got
god.
enough room back there?
На сильно здоровья.
Можно это снять?
Yeah, you can take that off.
И drive.
Yeah, you can officially take that off.
Oh my god.
I gotta make it look somewhat snazzy.
Okay.
Want me to show you the rest of it?
Want me
to show you the rest of it?
Yeah.
There's a lot of stuff in this car that you don't know about.
Okay.
All right.
Man. Oh my god.
I want you to fix it.
Oh my goodness.
You have the key?
Oh.
You didn't need it sooner or later. Well, you're gonna need it in your purse at least.